This is a happy birthday. Even though it's November 28th, and my birthday's tomorrow, November 29th. This is a happy birthday. That's all I got to say. 2 laps off the peak is just like, honestly, Merry Christmas, Happy Birthday, all wrapped up in one! Dude.
Let's do it.
I'm gonna go for that line over here. What? Woo! Woo! Are you kidding me? Woo! Dude! Are you kidding me? November 28th! November 28th!
I gotta go this one. Hit it, doggy, enjoy.
Yeah! Yeah! Woo! Oh my word, dude! This is the Grim Reaper back here. But we're 10 minutes out. That's it. Just look at that. It's just so stellar.
She's a beauty, eh?
She's a beauty. Yeah, you gotta make sure you put the A in. Pretty damn good.
Works for me.
Let's hit it. Eat your heart out, Stefan! Oh yeah. Yo! It's been trapped. Go way over. Oh, we can look at a pit being dug. We can get some goods. Oh, Bob's would have been sick.
Huh?
What did you guys find? Anything exciting?
You know what? It looks pretty safe.
Hi, Julie.
Oh, hello.
Rick.
Oh, hi.
It looks good?
No, it looks really good.
Yeah?
For early season, there's not much to report. There's a little bit of a softer layer underneath a bit of wind slab, but nothing too major.
Nice.
It's,
This is our second lap.
oh, nice.
Yeah.
No, it's a good early season.
Oh, do you believe this? It's my birthday tomorrow.
Oh, nice.
So this is like the birthday present. We just times 2.
Nice.
All right, thanks. You. Little shoot action. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yoo-hoo! Watch over the hole. Big hole. Big hole. Big hole. See, that's the stuff you wouldn't have seen in the bad biz.
Yeah, that's why the last time.
Yeah. Oh, dude, we can get around the Abbey debris. We got a straight shot. Check it out. Yeah, there's only one line, Sid. Dude. Ready? Yo! Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Woo! Whoa! Yeah! Woo! Yeah, dude! Wow! Oh, so good! Oh, he's just flashing it. Oh my God, that video is gonna be so good. You! Wow! The flasher! Alright. You can't tell me that every little bit of struggle on that climb wasn't worth it.
It's worth it.
Dude, you're flashing the crap out of that.
Ah! Damn! How sweet!
Happy birthday to me.
Happy birthday to Rick!
Motherfuckers!
You!